Hey guys, Mr. Mom 713, and I just got some tips here because we all know, or if you're dieting can be a real pain in the butt, especially when it's time to snack. And so what I'm gonna do is show you some of the snacks that I use to get me throughout the day to kill the sweet tooth, to fill you up, and give these a shot instead of going for what you're used to going for, whatever that is. It could be cookies, it can be candy, it could be whatever your go-to snack is. Try to replace it with some healthier options. I never thought I would be eating rice cakes until I started dieting or getting to a certain goal that I had, but they are a game changer. And all you gotta do is just add a few toppings and they're so good. So check these out. So one of my go-to options now is gonna be flavored rice cakes. Sometimes I just go with the lightly salted, nothing wrong with that. This I actually had yesterday. I was craving something sweet. The chocolate rice cake, if you take this and you put just a little bit of honey on it, drizzle some honey on it, it'll knock out the sweet tooth. The white cheddar is really good if you like that kind of flavor. It's got the cheesy, salty flavor. So this is really good as well. And the caramel flavor, all four of these are great. So some of the things that I do, sometimes in the morning as a pre-workout, or if I just need just a snack, I'll just grab two of these and put some honey on it and just have that. One thing that I like to do as well that I'm doing, you take two of these and get you a serving of frozen berries. I like to use the frozen berries. Some people like to use fresh. If you have fresh, go ahead. Make sure you get some of those, whatever brand you want to get, it doesn't matter. And so you got your rice cakes, you put your fruit, and then you just drizzle honey on top of that. You have to try it. It's hard for me to tell you exactly how it's gonna taste, but it tastes so good. I'm telling you, give it a shot. Another thing you can do if you wanna keep the fat low, get you some PB Fit peanut butter, and you take 2 tablespoons, mix it a little bit of water, and you spread it on any one of these. If you like the peanut butter flavor, you can have a chocolate peanut butter rice cake, or even a white cheddar peanut butter. You can mix and match. You gotta see what works for you. But these are just options that when it comes down to snacking in your fitness journey, you wanna change up your nutrition. You're gonna have your core meals, which are gonna be your main protein, carbs, and your vegetables, and your fruits. But you're also gonna have snack time. And that's when you really need different options, is during snack time. When you're at the house or you're at work and all of a sudden you're like, man, I'm getting hungry, and I've either been I'm changing my nutrition around, so now my body wants some more sweets, or I'm so used to having this bar right now, or I know it's not healthy for me. You have to replace that. We have to change your habits. So you gotta replace that with something healthier. Consider this as an alternative. I tell you, just give them a shot. Next time you need an option, whatever your go-to snack is, try to replace that snack with something healthier, and then you'll realize it'll help you get to your fitness goals, and it'll also change the habits. Now, I'm not saying never have a candy bar again. What I'm saying is replace it, especially during the week, or if you're really trying to hit a fitness goal. Try some of these options and you'll be surprised how good they taste. So give them a shot. Let me know what you think. Mr. Mom 713, I'm here to help you get and stay fit. Let's go.